everybody, welcome back to the Heart and Home channel, where this week we are going to be tackling our last wall. I'm not exactly sure how far we're going to get on it, but we're going to do our best to get as far as we can. And either this week or next week, I think we're going to wrap this one up. I think that this is definitely going to be our most challenging wall. We have the most openings to cut around, and also the terrain is not exactly easy for us to move our scaffolding on, so it's going to be a little bit slower than normal, but I'm excited this is going to get wrapped up pretty quickly relative to the whole exterior projects. So I'm pretty excited about it anyway. Got my beautiful bride again here.
Another day, another window.
Yep, we're almost done, but thankfully Whitney was able to come out last minute and help me out. So we're just gonna put that in real quick, and then that'll set me up really good for when my dad comes in a couple of days. So
let's do it.
Thanks, bride. Just high enough to go back up behind the steel, but not so high that it's going to interfere in the part that's getting blocked. Alright, got everything drawn out here for our corner bend. We just got to cut it out. Go. Looks like we're good. Oh boy. Oh crap. Damn. Oh my gosh. Wow. You see that coming? Oh well, it's fixable. Now we just fill up this area here, and this will kick out any water that's back there. Here we go. All right, 8 windows down, 2 more to go. Alright, so I got all the little baby tasks done that I wanted to today, and I think the best thing I can do to prep for when my dad gets here is probably just to start pre-drilling my metal sheets to put up on the sides. I could start putting Tyvek up, but winds are supposed to get a little higher than I would like. Tomorrow, which I won't be working, I'll be at home with the girls tomorrow, so I prefer for that not to blow down, and then Dad'll be here on Thursday and I think maybe Friday as well, and so that'd probably be a good thing for us to do together then. Probably end up taking less time, so I will save you the monotony of watching me drill these sheets. All right, my dad's coming over in a little bit today. Until then, I'm gonna finish wrapping the bottom part here, and then maybe start wrapping this part here, and then once he gets here, we'll start hanging steel. Let's get to it. Okay, we got 4 sheets up today, and that's pretty good. I sent my dad home a little early just because now I've got a ton of screwing to do. I think we will get more done tomorrow just because this side was pretty challenging dealing with this little gap here and not being able to get the scaffolding over there. So yeah, hopefully, I'm hoping we get the slider in tomorrow and hopefully wrapped and sided up to somewhere over there. So we'll see how far we get, but I think that that's pretty close to what we will do. Bit done today, and it is super cool seeing, well, it doesn't look like it, but we're all Tyvek'd up. You can kind of see the letters there. Let's see if we can get it to there we go. It's super cool just to see all the windows in and being closed off. It is just really exciting to, I don't know, it feels like a house now. I'm starting to be able to see the spaces better, and I am loving it. I'm so excited. Can't wait to get back tomorrow. My dad's coming back for day 3, and we're gonna try and get the rest of this steel up. That will be really exciting if we could. Done today. Oh my gosh, so close to being finished. Thanks, Dad, for coming over and helping me out with this. It's super awesome to have a second person with these bigger sheets. Now the rest of today, I'm just going to be noodling around on the trims and trying to finish up as much as I can, but I'm feeling really good about where we are today. It is so cool to see. It's so cool to see the whole face of this building just really coming together. Done putting up sheet metal. It is looking so good. I am so excited. That is a huge milestone for us. Now all I have left is some trim details and putting in some final screws, and then our shell is done. That is super exciting. We are all set and pretty much weatherproof, so that is so exciting. That's it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found it entertaining or informative, hit that thumbs up button as it helps us a great deal. And if you're into home building, DIY, light homesteading, or the debt-free lifestyle, then consider hitting that subscribe button, as we're gonna have some really cool projects coming up in the future, and I'm really excited just to share everything that we got planned with you guys. Catch you next time.